Hey guys, welcome back to Cook the Book. Last week I shared a recipe from this new book by Yasmin Khan, Right Figs, and it was a lovely eggs that I shared with you. And I was just flicking through and there was one more recipe that I really wanted to try, and I thought while I'm going to try this, I might as well share with you because you guys are also going to love it. Hopefully. So they are date and walnut brownies, and I love the sound of it. They sound really lovely, moist, squidgy, with that nutty flavor. So let's get baking. Reading the recipe, they sound more like a cake brownie, if you know what I mean. Just like it sounds like that. I haven't tried it yet, but that's what I think it might end up like. Just moist cake brownie. So I have got a brownie tin. I have put some butter on it. Just some baking paper. I'm going to cut the sides and slide it in. Just gonna. So if you just take a square piece of paper, so it's all mushy and you don't know what to do with it, your nail paint. So you just slit in here, then it just slides and falls perfectly smooth. So I'm just using hand whisk today. You can use a stand mixer or do it with a wooden spoon. It's absolutely fine. And I'm going to start with some butter and sugar. So here I have got 250 grams of unsalted softened butter. It's been sitting outside since last night. And then I've got 200 grams of just white caster sugar. And now I am just going to whisk this till it's creamy. Right, in goes eggs. 3 large eggs. I'm going to just do a quick whisk between each of them. In goes quarter teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder. Just going to mix it a little bit. Here I've got 65 grams of plain flour and 60 grams of cocoa powder. Just a light mix. And I'm going to bring my melted chocolate in. And here I've got 150 grams of dates, which I'm going to roughly chop. So I'm going to just get the seeds out of these dates. And then once I've got them out, just going to chop them up roughly. So the chopped up dates go into the batter, and I've got 100 grams of walnuts, which I will roughly chop and add to the batter as well. There goes in walnuts, and now I've got the melted chocolate, which I will add to the batter as well. And then I'm just going to fold everything in. Look at that. Beautiful. This is quite a lovely mixture, I have to say. And it's kind of not like a normal brownie mix. Definitely not like a normal brownie mix, because you don't add baking powder in normal brownies. And also, you know, we whisk the eggs and sugar quite a lot. So this is a bit thicker, It's more like a cake mixture, I guess. We will find out. Now this is going to go in a hot oven at 180°C for 20 to 25 minutes. Just going to spread it because it's like a thicker mixture. It won't spread itself and you'll have to kind of just spread it into a thin layer. I'm really excited about these brownies actually. Can I just say that the kitchen smells amazing with these brownies. So they are done, not wobbly. The sides have started to leave a little bit and they are still gooey, which means it's time to take them out. They were in here exactly 25 minutes. Wow, okay. That is looking lovely and it's still really warm. It's only been sitting out for 10 minutes, but I am not waiting anymore. I'm going in because I want to see what this beauty looks like inside. Oh wow. Oh yeah. The texture is a bit different to normal brownie because this is more like a cakey brownie thing, but it's still super moist. Oh, nice. I have to say, they're so soft and yeah, looks really moist and it's not gooey. That's the difference. It's not gooey. It just looks moist and light, really light. That's lovely. I got a piece of date and I think it's so sweet and not particularly sweet. It's sweet and the chocolate is making it rich, but there's the sweetness from the dates. And that walnut is beautiful. Such a simple recipe, really quite different to a normal brownie, and I would highly recommend you try this. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you very soon with another new recipe. Bye for now.